How do I customize my Telegram profile picture?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to explore a topic many of you have asked about: how to customize your Telegram profile picture. It's a simple process, but knowing the steps can make it much easier and faster for you.
What is Telegram?
Before we dive into the main topic, let's briefly cover what Telegram is. Telegram is a free-to-use messaging app that is often chosen for its strong emphasis on privacy and security. You can send messages, voice notes, and photos to other users, and you can also customize your own profile, including changing your profile picture.
How do I access my profile settings?
To start customizing your Telegram profile picture, you first need to access your profile settings. Here's how. 1. Open the Telegram app on your phone. 2. At the top left corner, you should see 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Tap on it. 3. From the options that appear, select Settings. This will lead you to your profile settings.
How do I change my profile picture?
Now that you're on the profile settings page, let's change that picture. 1. Tap on the current profile picture or the placeholder if you don't have one yet. This will open a new window. 2. From the options provided, select Choose from Gallery if you want to use a picture that is already on your device. Alternatively, select Take a Photo if you want to take a new photo right then and there. 3. After selecting or taking the photo, you can adjust the positioning or size. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, tap on the Done or Save button to set your new profile picture. And there you have it. You've just learned how to customize your Telegram profile picture. It's a simple process that lets you express your uniqueness and personality. We hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Happy messaging!